Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys the easy way to draw white beards. Let's get started. First, I make my basic outlines using a soft charcoal pencil. Now this video is exclusively for drawing white beards. I'm just making an outline for the mouth just to show you guys where the mouth is positioned on this drawing, but this tutorial is majorly and exclusively for drawing white beards. I use this emptied pen to dig grooves into my paper so that when I shade over that area, the grooves are left white and then every other area is shaded, as you can see in the video. So I'm just applying that same principle to the other parts of this drawing, to the areas where the white beards are localized. So now I'm going to just draw out the beards and shade over those areas using my soft charcoal pencil. Now when you shade over those grooves, you should ensure that you are not using the tip of your pencil. The tip of your pencil is just tiny enough to get into those grooves. So you should make sure that you are using the side of your charcoal so that you can just move over the grooves very smoothly without getting much charcoal into the grooves. Now I'm going to just darken the areas around the grooves so that the white beards can pop out of the black background. I'm also adding more strands of hair to make the beards look fuller. Then I use my Tombow Mono Zero eraser to whiten the grooves that have been darkened with charcoal. Also, you just might want to draw some beard strands across the white areas just to make it look more realistic, just to show that tangle, how those beard strands cross over each other. Again, just to make this look more realistic, I'll be using my charcoal pencil to thin out grooves that appear to be too fat, that appear to be fatter than other strands of my beard. And that's it, basically. If this video helped you, ensure that you let me know in the comment section. Like this video, share with your other artist friends who need it. Subscribe to this channel and ensure that you hit the notification bell to know when I post new videos.